everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
In this video of the training series, we will talk about the inverted head and shoulders formation. So we have the inverted head and shoulders. The inverted head and shoulders appears as the exact opposite of the head and shoulders, my friends. Let's demonstrate it this way. This was the head and shoulders, friends. This is how the head and shoulders looks. Now we will encounter it in the form of an inverted head and shoulders. That is exactly how it will appear. As you can see, friends, I can also show this below in this way. I'm lifting this here. For example, look here. There is a shoulder here. And here we have the beginning of a head. From here, like this. And here again, there is a shoulder. This time, we can see it as a left shoulder and a right shoulder. As you can see, friends, in head and shoulders formations, when a breakout occurs, there is also an upward movement in that direction. So what we mean is this. Here, friends, we draw a line equal to the depth of the head. Then we take this line. For example, when we break above this line, meaning when the breakout occurs from this part of the right shoulder here, we expect 2 candles to move upwards. In other words, we are getting confirmation. After receiving confirmation, our entry in that area is valid. We can say that the target is at the depth of this head. Here, our formation has also occurred previously. We have already shown this to you. Here we made nice profits together. As you can see, friends, we are replaying this formation in this way. Look at this area. I just said to start from here. As you can see, it is coming quickly. And it has arrived. Here, we can now execute our sale quite nicely. Now, friends, here the inverted head and shoulders formations generally break out upwards. So when the breakout occurs, it usually goes upwards. But friends, for example, it received a rejection from here and is moving downwards like this. Here, friends, the most important level is when it breaks down from the head part of the right shoulder. If it breaks down here, meaning if 1 or 2 candles come in this area, we can say that the direction is downwards from here, and it will go down like this. However, inverted head and shoulders generally break out upwards. Still, we need to set a stop below this level, specifically below 46300 at the lower part of the right shoulder. But for example, it can make fluctuations like this and break out again from here, or it can do this. We can pay attention to that, friends. Thank you all, friends. The inverted head and shoulders formation is identified in this way. Again, there is an inverted head and shoulders here. Look, friends, there is also an inverted head and shoulders here. The right shoulder is here, and the head is like this. What has happened here, friends, is that it has received confirmation, but has not reached its target. Why didn't it reach its target? Let's show it this way. Look, the depth of the head is here. Normally, when a breakout occurs, the target should be 69,000, but it has turned back halfway. Here, you can see that the trend has weakened from other indicators, from our other indicators. We had also mentioned these indicators to you. By looking at the RSI and similar indicators, you can analyze where the formation can be sold. And you can also sell here before reaching the NTP. You can access the indicators from the indicators section here. Thank you all.